Tequila! Tequila Heffe coming at you with an H! All my peeps! Hey, thanks for subscribing. All my new peeps that are on there, thank you so much. And listen, share the tequila love out there. And everybody's got their own palate. And I encourage you to just explore the wonderful world of tequila. So, tonight we're going to do a review on the Gran Orendain Tequila, okay? Excuse me. So, I don't know if y'all remember or recognize the Orendain name, but the Orendain family has been doing tequila since 1844. 1844 is a long time, okay? So they actually have their distillery and they age their tequila in downtown Tequila, Mexico. And that is my next stop this year, probably here in the next couple months, doing live tastings at the Orendain's distillery. So there's another tequila that I've shared with you all that is also distilled at the same distillery, and that's the Arete Tequila, which is this darling right here with the horse on it that won the gold medals in the Olympics in the 1980s. So I have not had this. No one referred this to me. I saw it at Total Wine, and I'm like, okay, it's the Orendain family. They know how to make tequila. All right, so let's just dive into it. I did look at Tequila Matchmaker to give you guys a little bit of insight. Seems to rate kind of across the map a little bit. Again, everybody's got their own palate, right? But seemed to rate pretty well. First of all, the bottle, super nice. So great presentation of the bottle. Gran Orendain. So the Orendain family, by the way, just so you know, like two of the brothers, one of the brothers is like the head of the Tequila Association. They're very involved in quality tequila and quality assurance of tequila actually as well. So yes, I guess this is their emblem, which is kind of pretty cool as well. So let's just dive into it. I'd love to hear any of your all's comments that have had this. So this is a Reposado. As we all know, Reposado means rested. So you've got Blancos straight out of the distillery into the bottle. Reposados are usually aged about 6 to 9 months. And then you've got Añejos aged longer than 9 months to about maybe 2.5, 3 years. Añejos 3 years beyond, extra Añejos beyond 3 years. So that's the life cycle. So nice little packaging. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about it because I really like their Arete brand. Arete brand is really good. The Blanco is super solid. So if this is a palate pleaser, I will bring more reviews to all of you. All right, so let's see what we got. Little thin little cap. Okay. I smell oak, a little like oaky. Definitely a white oak barrel, aged in white oak barrel. They're pretty known for that. The other tequilas that they do are white oak barrel aged as well. That's got an interesting flavor. I mean, an interesting palate or a nose to it. It's called the nose when you smell it. It's the nose. I'm not going to tell you what my first impression, but it reminds me of like fertilizer. Hopefully that doesn't have any indication of the flavor, but you know, like when you open a bag of fertilizer, it smells like fertilizer. I mean, that could be the bottle. It's been sitting up here. It's kind of been warm up here for a little while. I've had this for a while. So anyway, don't think it's going to taste like fertilizer. Let's hope not. Sad if that was the case. All right. Okay, so much better. I think you get some of this flavor that evaporates that might be the case with other my peeps out there. If you have had a bottle for a while and you see some evaporation, it might cause some fermentation that is not part of the distilling process. Because everything they want to do is, try to get the best product there is to market. Okay. Got a little burn going down, which I don't mind. If tequila doesn't have some burn, it ain't tequila. You don't want it flavored like watermelon or something. Pretty good little bite to it. I like it. Here, let me see what flavors here we're getting. Right, so I like the white oak barrel. I love that. Good tequila flavor. Again, it's Reposado, so it's not overly aged. A little citrusy. Not too much caramel flavor. No vanilla flavor in it. Definitely really good agave, really solid agave flavor. I would say this reminds me a lot of the other Orendain tequilas that I've had, which would be the Arete Reposado. Very similar, which is great because that's solid. But it's got a little bit, kind of a distinct flavor. It's very good though. It's got some nice after flavors to it. Stays with you. I like this one. This one is good. I was excited about it. I felt like it was going to be a good tequila because I've had their other tequilas, and it's really good. So price point on this, it's not crazy. $45 I've seen someplace, some less, 40, maybe 55. There's other Nejos, extra Nejos. We kind of go all over the map with our tastings, like the Reposado. I'd say give it an 8. Give it a solid 8. Yeah, I think this is going to be one that we're going to keep on the bar. So, good job, Orendain family. Look forward to seeing more of your stuff out there. And all my peeps, again, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit me up with any questions you have. And for now, Tequila Heffe with an H, he's out.